He's a supervisor.
He's the foreman.
He's like...
He's the foreman staying
So this is continued video for storm drains at 318 Steele Street. This is the gutter spout that is on the center of the home. I believe this is the one that tied in with the ones on the rear of the home.
The second one, east of Steele.
Okay,
on
so
the south side of the house.
that tie-in is right here. I can see it. Right here on the side of the screen, there's a pipe that's coming in.
Okay.
So when you guys did this new system,
It's ignored now.
you didn't do anything with it.
You didn't even see it.
Well, I mean, you did.
Other than that.
Right.
It does exactly what I thought it did. We're under your feet.
The one that we hooked up.
Oh, no, I know where your daylight is.
Yeah.
I found the daylight for that. I ran a hole with hot water. Dave might have made it perfect. I didn't see it. Is it still going straight out there?
As straight as it wants.
There's
Go look for my camera.
I heard daylight.
Sounds like it hit a fence.
I see it laying on the ground right here. Yeah, there's daylight. Daylight.
I thought that was your pipe.
Nope.
Where's your daylight, Wade? No, that's what I saw.
All right, good. Thank you. Maybe you want to run that thing through his pipe.
Okay.
Hey,
So I
Wade?
think what we ought to do is run that thing through your pipe now.
Absolutely, because Wade, remember I told you when it was raining, when we first got out here, that I didn't see any water coming out of your daylight? I thought that was your daylight.
I thought when
Your
we ran
daylight's buried.
I thought when we ran water when you were out here last week.
Yeah, when we ran water in this one,
Yeah.
there was water coming out there.
So they tied in.
Well,
Should we go inside this one and see
yeah,
what that does?
because Arturo didn't say anything about tying into
An existing pipe.
an existing pipe. He said he never saw it.
Okay. Now this is
Well,
this is good news, but
Yeah, I mean, I spent a lot of money. I hope I didn't not need to.
Well,
because-
what I'm wondering is there another T or something here
Well,
that they connected to right here at the end of the concrete?
Arturo, he said he never saw that, and he would have known if he tied into it.
Because where the camera's at right now is a lot deeper than anything that we ever touched.
That's what I
Because
was
we
asking.
never saw it.
at least
I know,
over
that's
here.
What I'm saying. So how would water have come out of there?
I'm going to be interested to see.
Excuse me.
Find a picture that Arturo sent. Here it is.
Yeah.
All right, this is the new stuff. This is what Arturo did.